If you're checking into a facility that's set up for recording, you'll need to perform a security check at the start of your session. A security check is a quick visual inspection of the room done by taking photos of items in the facility that could be moved, like microphones, cables, as well as anything that wasn't normal before your session. You'll need a Wi-Fi connected device with a camera, so any tablet or cell phone should work. If you don't have one or you've forgotten it at home, Studio Operations can provide you with an iPad for this purpose. The steps will otherwise be the same. Begin by taking photos of anything that can move, so be sure to include photos of microphones, stands, cables, and anything that isn't physically secured to the room. You'll also want to take photos of anything that wasn't normal before your session so that our staff will be able to see that when they review your photos and so you aren't held responsible. That's also why it's very important to take quality photos, so if you start with something blurry, please retake it for us. If you notice that the console has not been normaled, you'll want to include detailed photos of that as well. Next, scan the laminated QR code near the entryway of each room. These QR codes are unique to each facility and can be found on the inside of the door itself or clearly posted nearby. Each room's upload password is @Berklee1, and you'll need to enter that in order to upload anything. Tap on the Upload button, choose Photo Library, select the photos you've taken, and then click Add. If you have any questions while submitting your security log photos, please let us know.